Infratech WD Series Dual-Element Stainless Steel Outdoor Heaters. Double the warmth with Infratech's WD Series heaters. This high-powered unit features a dual element to provide a more concentrated heat. This makes the WD Series an ideal choice for recessed installation, premium outdoor heating applications, and spaces with 7 to 9 feet mounting heights and large-scale coverage areas. Infratech is 90% energy efficient. All listed for outdoor and indoor use and is easy and inexpensive to operate. This heater is ideal for use in fine homes, restaurants, hotels, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-powered heaters. High-powered dual-element WD series fixtures provide more concentrated heat for large-scale coverage needs. Number 2. Easy maintenance. WD series include minimal clearance requirements, recessed mounting options, short standoffs, and mounting heights between 8 to 14 feet. Number 3. Indoor outdoor heaters. Infratech is 90% energy efficient. All listed for outdoor and indoor use and are easy and inexpensive to operate. Heaters are ideal for use in fine homes, restaurants, hotels, and more. Number 4. Requires no ventilation. Infratech electric heaters do not require ventilation. Infrared heat doesn't blow away, making it ideal for breezy areas where air cannot be contained. Number 5. Specifications. Choose from 3,000 to 6,000 watt capacities. Length options from 33 inches to 61.25 inches to fit any installation. Number 6. Indoor outdoor use. Infrared or radiant energy is the most practical way to add warmth to spaces like patios, terraces, verandas, enclosed areas, or any indoor or outdoor setting where heated air cannot easily be contained and recirculated. Number 7. Silent operation. Energy-efficient infrared fixtures convert over 90% of input energy directly into radiant heat and operate silently for just pennies per hour. Number 8. Emits no greenhouse gases. Infratech heating systems are made from recyclable materials and operate with zero greenhouse emissions, odors, or ultraviolet light, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.